Instead of canceling their annual tradition of parading around the school to celebrate Unity Day, Riverside Elementary adapted their plans to make sure students and families felt included right where they are. During National Bullying Prevention Month in October, Unity Day is an opportunity for schools and communities to stand together and unite for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. After decorating their cars with positive and encouraging messages, Riverside's dedicated staff split up into 3 teams to drive through every Riverside neighborhood across the city. With educators waving and cars honking, families waited at intersections or in front of their houses to participate in this year's version of a Unity Day parade. Students were overjoyed as they spotted some of their favorite teachers driving by. Staff and many families wore orange to show their unity against bullying, while some students got creative as they shared their own positive messages. As they traveled to different parts of the city and visited families in their own neighborhoods, the educators at Riverside exemplified the true nature of Unity Day by including everyone through kindness and action.